guys, this is a fox eye tutorial. This has been a pretty big trend lately to kind of extend your eye, give it a little bit of a lift, and you can lift the brow as well. I didn't do an extreme brow lift, but I just shaved a little off my tail of my brow and made it a little bit of lifted. So I just start with Elmer's glue actually in a glue stick on a little spoolie for my brows and brush them up with the glue. And then I turn the spoolie around and just flatten them to kind of give them a bushy effect. And I'm going to go in with an NYX brow pencil in a taupe color. And I'm just using small, light strokes in the direction of my brow hairs to mimic the natural hair. I find a pencil is the most natural way to do your brows. It really looks like very natural. And I'm going in with the Norvina palette with a gold shade called Summer, and then Dreamer, a little bit of Dreamer. And I'm just putting that all over the lid with a flat brush. You can use your finger as well. With the Norvina palette, I kind of like to use my finger more because there is quite a lot of fallout with that palette, but I did it with the brush this time. And I'm taking that underneath the eye a little bit just to tie it all in. And I'm going in with a MAC, oh, it's upside down, Beamer blush highlighter. It's just a gold highlighter, and I'm putting that on the brow bone and the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal waterproof brown pencil to do this liner. And I'm just starting at the outer corner, following the angle of my lower lid and just extending it. Just start lightly and keep filling it in as you go, and check with your eyes open. And a really easy way to get a fine point on your liner is to drag your finger over the end of it, and it makes a really nice point. And that's what helps make winged liner look really professional, is to just use your finger and drag it out. And I just kind of smudge it along my lash line. The nice thing is with this look, you don't have to be too precise with this brown. And then I just go in a tiny bit on my upper waterline. And make sure to sharpen your pencil for the next part. We're going to go into the inner corner and just extend the corner and make it into a little point. And be really careful not to do too much in the inner corner. It can look a little crazy if you go too far or, you know, have too much going on there. So just a little bit of a point. I'm going in with the MAC chromographic pencil, which is my favorite pencil for the waterline. It's a nice cream color and it stays really long. And then I'm just going in with the Smashbox matte highlighting shade just to go over my concealer to really brighten up my concealer. And I'm adding a little mascara. This is the L'Oreal Butterfly Mascara. I'm really liking this mascara, actually. A little bit on the bottom lashes. And I'm actually going to go back in and make the liner a little bit bolder and a little longer. I just thought it needed a little bit more at the end. And then if you mess up or you need to really perfect your liner, get a pointed Q-tip and some micellar water or even just a dry one and just shape and drag that outwards to make it a really, really fine point. And that's the look. So you can see compared to my other eye, it gives it kind of a cat eye effect, and it's a cute little twist on the classic wing. And my eyebrow is more lifted as well. So that's the cat eye look. Thanks for watching.